How to change or delete the music on your Instagram post. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can change or delete the music in your Instagram post. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to open up your Instagram application, and here you have to go in your profile and you have to select the reel or the post from which you want to change or delete the music. Now once you are in here, you have to click on these three dots of the post, and as you can see that there is no option to change or delete the music in your Instagram post. So what you have to do is simply click on this plus icon, and from here you have to go on the post and you have to select the post that you previously added in your Instagram account. And after that you just have to click on the next, and here you have to edit it like you want. And from here you just have to click on the music, and here you have to simply select the music that you want to change or delete from your previous post, and you just have to add the music. And from here you can drag and drop the favorite part of your music, and you have to simply click on the done. And after that you just have to click on the next, and from here you are able to add the music. Now what you have to do is simply add the caption, and here you can edit with the many options. After you edit it, you just have to click on it, and after that you just have to click on the OK and share it in your profile, and you can delete the previous one post. So that's how you can add the post on your Instagram. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.